Hello children, I am Shobna Zavre from Tilaknagar Bal Vidya Mandir, Dombivli East. Standard 1st, Subject My English Book 1. Topic 8.8 We like cooking. Childrens, today we are going to learn what we have do to while cooking. Cooking involves many actions. Every action has different names. We will see some pictures and try to use simple English sentence to describe them. मुलांनो, आज आपण स्वयंपाक करताना वेगवेगळ्या कृती ॲक्शन कराव्या लागतात. आज त्या कृती आपण शिकणार आहोत. चला तर मग. Look, listen, repeat and speak. Anil is washing vegetables. अनिल भाज्या धुत आहे.
Anil is washing vegetables.
Anita is cutting carrots. अनिता गाजर कापत आहे.
Anita is cutting carrots.
आजी is grating cucumber. आजी काकडी किसत आहे.
Aji is grating cucumber.
आजोबा is selling peas. आजोबा मटार सोलत आहेत.
Azoba is selling peas.
Father is frying puris. वडील पुऱ्या तळत आहेत.
Father is frying puris.
Mother is making खीर. आई खीर बनवत आहे.
Mother is making kheer.
What's Anil doing?
Anil is washing vegetables.
What Anita's doing?
Anita is cutting carrots.
What's Ajoba doing?
Azoba is selling peas.
What's father doing?
Father is frying puri.
What's mother making?
Mother is making kheer.
Children, these are the actions which we do while cooking. मुलांनो, स्वयंपाक करताना या ॲक्शन आपण करत असतो. What we use in our kitchen? Name of things: pots, a pan, a sieve, a knife, a spoon, a glass, a dish, a bowl, a tray, a pressure cooker, a mixer, a grater. Children, repeat after me. Pots, P-O-T-S, pots. Pan, P-A-N, pan. Sieve, S-I-E-V-E, sieve. Knife, K-N-I-F-E, knife. Spoon, S-P-O-O-N, spoon. Glass, G-L-A-S-S, glass. Dish, D-I-S-H, dish. Bowl, B-O-W-L, bowl. Tray, T-R-A-Y, tray. Pressure cooker, P-R-E-S-S-U-R-E, pressure. C-O-O-K-E-R, cooker. Mixer, M-I-X-E-R, mixer. Grater, G-R-A-T-E-R, grater. Children, you must notice all things. Try to use English name when you talk about them. मुलांनो, किचनमधील वस्तूंची नावे तुमच्या लक्षात आली असतील. ती तुम्ही इंग्रजीतून बोलण्याचा प्रयत्न करा. थँक यू.